seed coal, that is to say, 38 pieces or smaller, can also be used as steam coal for steel. The user of seed coal ball press is worried about the pellet rate and service life of the equipment. The pellet rate is the customer's concern in the operation of the problem, because the good pellet rate directly determines the working efficiency and value of the equipment. Improve the pellet rate of the equipment. Generally speaking, the larger the feeding amount, seed coal pellet press, the smaller the pellet size, the lower the strength. If the feed is too small, the raw material density is not good, and the strength is low. Now the seed coal ball press generally uses the feeder to divide the material, which can ensure the seed coal ball press uniform feed, appropriate feed amount, and better ensure the pellet rate of the seed coal ball press.